Lab Manual. Activity 1. Let's experiment that air has pressure. Materials required: 1 jar, 1 rubber band, string and a strong plastic bag. Procedure 1. Fill the bag with air. 2. Tie the air-filled bag upside down to the jar, with its mouth overing the opening of the jar. 3. Wind a string tightly around the bag and jar several times without crossing edges of jar and tie it with a bow knot. 4. Press down the bag, lean on it and rest objects on top of it. Observation: the objects don't go down. Conclusion: air pressure has great force. Activity 2. To study the structures present on leaf through an experiment. Materials required: a bottle, leaf, plastic sheet and clay. Procedure 1. Fill a bottle with water below 1 inch from the top. 2. Take a freshly cut leaf with stem. Wrap plastic around the stem and place it into the bottle. 3. Cover the mouth of the bottle with clay. Make sure that the clay fits snugly around the mouth of the bottle. 4. Poke a hole through the clay and insert a straw. 5. Press the clay around the straw and bottle opening so that no air can escape. 6. The straw should not touch the water. 7. Stand in front of a mirror and suck the air out of the bottle with the straw. Observation: the leaf and stem act as a straw for the plant. As you draw air out of the plant, more air gets drawn into the bottle through the stomata and xylem. This is the same system that plants use to move water around. Conclusion: there are holes in the leaf called stomata and tiny tubes called xylem which run down the stem. Activity 3. To study the strange behavior of matter. Materials required: corn flour, bowl, 2 cups, water and rubber sheet. Procedure 1. Mix 1½ cup of corn flour with 1 cup of water in a bowl. 2. Slowly dip your fingers into the gooey mixture, then try slapping it hard with your hand or a heavy spoon. 3. Then try letting some of the gooey flow across a piece of rubber sheet. 4. Stretch the rubber slowly, then stretch it fast. Observation: when you stretch the surface quickly, molecules get tangled in each other and this stops them from splattering. In this way, the mixture behaves more like a solid. If you move them slowly or let them flow, they can run past each other and so the starch behaves like a liquid. Conclusion: the molecules in the starch are very large compared with the molecules of water. Activity 4. The study the relationships of air and pressure. Materials required: disposal cups, string, tape and a table. Procedure 1. Find 2 disposal cups and some string. 2. Cut the string into 2 30cm pieces. 3. Using tape, attach the end of one piece of string to the bottom and one of the cups. Attach the other end to the edge of a table. 4. Repeat this with the other cup. 5. Position the cups so they hang off the table 4 or 5 cm apart and at the same height. You might need to adjust the spacing between the cups. Now blow between the 2 cups and see what happens. Observation: blowing between the cups drops the pressure, so the higher pressure of the surroundings air pushes the. Conclusion: according to Bernoulli principle, in areas where air moves rapidly, pressure is low.